Today we are doing injections of PDGF. So PDGF stands for platelet-derived growth factor. And we can use it topically to help decrease inflammation and speed up healing. It also helps to recruit stem cells that make brand new collagen, elastin, and fibrin. Today we're going to be injecting it under our patient's eyes to help just kind of fill in areas of deficit. So I have already numbed my patient with some injectable lidocaine, and I'm going to use a cannula. Really, there's no aftercare required. I don't want you touching it or smooshing it or anything like that. But, so I guess that's the aftercare, don't touch it. And then no anti-inflammatories like ibuprofen, aspirin for about a week. Because we want all the inflammation to happen so the stem cells migrate to where we injected it and will help make brand new collagen, elastin, and fibrin. Okay. And I personally like doing it with the cannula. You know, some people like doing this with a needle. Providers, I can't say that patients like it with a needle, but I wouldn't know because I don't ever do it with a needle. This is the same exact way we would inject PRF, same exact way we would inject tear trough filler. This is the way I prefer. Really minimal risk of bruising, little risk of occlusions, which people don't really think about other than providers think about it. Patients don't usually. Patients usually are nervous about the bruising part of it. And it's beautiful. That's it. All done. Super easy. You are welcome. So I would tell you you're going to come back in about 8 weeks, and we're going to repeat that. And like I said, you could get some swelling today, and you could even develop some redness, etc., in about 3 to 4 days, but then that'll go away. And in about 8 weeks, you'll return, and we will do it all over again. So fun. Yeah. So if you want to find out more about PDGF or about any of the over 60 procedures we do at RejuvenationMD, you can find us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and at our website, RejuvenationMDMedspa.com.